Hey there, folks. Remember the days when self-driving cars seemed like something out of the Jetsons? Well, hold on to your hard hats because the future is here, and it's rolling onto our construction sites. We're talking about autonomous construction vehicles, or ACVs for short. These aren't just your grandpa's bulldozers. These bad boys are packed with sensors, computers, and enough brainpower to make Einstein jealous. Think about it. Machines that can work tirelessly day and night without breaking a sweat. Imagine a world where construction projects finish ahead of schedule and under budget. That's the promise of ACVs. They're here to revolutionize the way we build, and trust me, this ain't science fiction anymore. Now I know what you're thinking. Mike, are robots gonna take our jobs? Listen, I've gotten my hands dirty in more industries than I can count, and I'm here to tell you that technology has always changed the way we work, but one thing remains constant: skilled labor is always in demand. ACVs aren't here to replace us. They're here to make us even better at what we do. So buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting world of autonomous construction. We're about to dive deep into how these incredible machines are changing the game, one load of dirt at a time. All right, let's talk shop. In the construction world, time is money and downtime is the enemy. Every minute a bulldozer sits idle or a crane is out of commission, it costs money. That's where ACVs come in, bringing a whole new meaning to the phrase working smarter, not harder. First off, these machines don't need coffee breaks, lunch breaks, or sleep. They can work 24/7, rain or shine, without missing a beat. Imagine the progress you could make with a bulldozer that never gets tired, or a crane that never needs a day off. That's the power of automation. But it's not just about working longer, it's about working smarter. ACVs are incredibly precise. They use sensors and GPS to navigate and perform tasks with pinpoint accuracy, reducing errors and wasted materials. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want a surgeon operating with shaky hands, would you? The same goes for construction. Precision is key. And because ACVs follow pre-programmed plans, they can optimize every step of the workflow. No more wasted trips, no more overlapping tasks, just pure, efficient construction magic. Now let's talk about something close to my heart: safety. Construction has always been a dangerous line of work. Every year we lose good people to accidents that could have been prevented. That's why I'm so fired up about the safety potential of ACVs. Think about it, machines don't get tired, distracted, or complacent. They don't take shortcuts or misjudge distances. They follow safety protocols to the letter, every single time. By taking human error out of the equation, we can significantly reduce the risk of accidents on the job site. And it's not just about preventing accidents on the ground. ACVs can handle hazardous materials, work in extreme temperatures, and access dangerous locations, all while keeping human workers at a safe distance. It's like sending in a robot rescue team to do the dirty and dangerous work, protecting the lives of the brave men and women who build our world. Now, I'm not saying that ACVs will eliminate all construction risks. We still need skilled workers to oversee operations, maintain equipment, and ensure everything runs smoothly. But by reducing the number of people in harm's way, ACVs can help create a safer, more secure work environment for everyone. Let's face it, folks, construction is expensive. Labor costs, material costs, equipment costs, they all add up. But here's the good news. ACVs have the potential to make construction more affordable for everyone involved. First off, while the initial investment in ACVs might seem steep, think of it as a long-term investment. These machines can work longer hours, require fewer breaks, and reduce the need for costly overtime pay. Plus, their precision reduces wasted materials, saving you money on every project. Then there's the issue of equipment downtime. When a bulldozer breaks down, it's not just the cost of repairs, it's the lost productivity, the missed deadlines, and the potential penalties. ACVs are designed for reliability and can be monitored remotely to predict and prevent maintenance issues before they become major problems. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mike, this all sounds great, but what about the jobs? Listen, I get it, but here's the thing. ACVs don't just replace jobs, they create new ones. We'll need skilled technicians to maintain and repair these machines, software developers to program them, and operators to supervise their work. The construction industry is evolving, and those who are willing to adapt and learn new skills will thrive in this exciting new world. Section 5, Building a Greener Future. Now, more than ever, we need to be mindful of our impact on the planet. The construction industry, for all its good, has a big environmental footprint. But here's the silver lining. ACVs can help us build a greener, more sustainable future. Think about it, ACVs are incredibly fuel efficient. Their precise movements and optimized routes reduce wasted fuel and emissions, and because they can work around the clock, they can complete projects faster, further minimizing environmental impact. But it's not just about reducing emissions, it's about using resources more responsibly. ACVs can help optimize construction plans to minimize waste, reduce material usage, and even utilize recycled materials more effectively. And here's the kicker. ACVs can help us build more sustainable infrastructure. Imagine using these machines to construct energy-efficient buildings, renewable energy projects, and smart cities designed to conserve resources. It's about time we start building a world that's not just built to last, but built to thrive. Section 6. The brains behind the bots. Alright, let's pop the hood and take a look at the technology that makes these ACVs tick. Don't worry, you don't need an engineering degree to understand this stuff. It's actually pretty cool once you get the hang of it. First up, we've got LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. Think of it like radar, but with lasers. LiDAR sensors create a three-dimensional map of the environment, allowing the ACV to see obstacles, navigate terrain, and avoid collisions. Then there's GPS, or Global Positioning System. We all use GPS in our cars and smartphones, but for ACVs, it's even more crucial. GPS allows these machines to follow pre-programmed routes, navigate to specific locations, and work together in perfect harmony. But wait, there's more. ACVs also use computer vision, which is basically like giving the machine eyes. Cameras capture images of the surroundings, and sophisticated algorithms analyze these images to identify objects, track movement, and make decisions in real time. And holding it all together is the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI gives ACVs the ability to learn from their experiences, adapt to changing conditions, and make complex decisions without human intervention. Section 7. From minds to masterpieces, ACVs in action. Now that you've got a handle on the technology, let's talk about how ACVs are being used in the real world. And trust me, these ain't just pie-in-the-sky ideas. ACVs are already hard at work in a variety of industries, from mining to construction to demolition. Let's start with mining, one of the toughest and most dangerous jobs on the planet. ACVs are already being used to operate haul trucks, excavators, and drills, removing human workers from hazardous environments and improving efficiency. These machines can work around the clock, hauling tons of ore and minerals without breaking a sweat. In construction, ACVs are being used to grade land, pour concrete, lay bricks, and even build entire structures. Imagine a fleet of robots working in perfect synchronization, building a skyscraper from the ground up. It's like something out of a futuristic movie, but it's happening right now. And when it's time to tear things down, ACVs are there too. Demolition robots can safely and efficiently dismantle buildings and structures, minimizing risks to human workers and reducing environmental impact. These are just a few examples of how ACVs are revolutionizing the way we build our world. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the years to come. Section 8. Obstacles on the road to autonomy. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There are challenges to overcome before ACVs become as common as pickup trucks on a construction site. But hey, that's what progress is all about, right? Identifying obstacles and finding ways to overcome them. One of the biggest hurdles is the initial investment cost. ACVs are complex pieces of machinery and they don't come cheap. However, as technology advances and production costs decrease, we can expect to see the price of ACVs become more accessible to businesses of all sizes. Then there are the regulatory hurdles. Governments and industry organizations need to establish clear guidelines and safety standards for the operation of ACVs. This is crucial to ensure the safety of both workers and the public. Another challenge is the need for infrastructure upgrades. ACVs rely on robust communication networks, precise GPS signals, and detailed digital maps to operate effectively. We'll need to invest in upgrading our infrastructure to support these technological advancements. And of course, there's the ever-present concern about cybersecurity. As with any computer-controlled system, ACVs are potentially vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. Ensuring the security of these systems is paramount to prevent accidents, data breaches, and other malicious activities. Section 9. Building a smarter tomorrow. So, there you have it, folks. The lowdown on autonomous construction vehicles. It's an exciting time to be involved in the construction industry, a time of innovation, disruption, and incredible potential. ACVs are poised to revolutionize the way we build our world, making construction safer, more efficient, more sustainable, and more affordable. We're talking about a future where robots and humans work side by side, each playing to their strengths to create a better future for everyone. Now, I know change can be scary, especially in an industry like construction, where tradition runs deep. But I'm here to tell you that embracing new technologies like ACVs isn't just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about creating a better future for ourselves, our children, and generations to come. So, let's roll up our sleeves, put on our thinking caps, and get to work building a smarter, safer, and more sustainable tomorrow. The future of construction is here, and it's autonomous.